G'day guys. Obviously we get asked a lot, what's the difference between KCK Lubricants and everybody else? And it's a great question. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into a few small videos and we'll try to explain the fundamentals of what sets us apart. Oil products are made up from a wide range of additives blended together. Now the key word there is blended. Next time you walk down the aisle of your favourite auto parts stop, have a look at the oil bottles. And if they've been sitting there for a week or two, you'll notice the top of the fluid will appear a lot lighter in colour than the bottom. This is a visual indication of additive dropout. This is bad news, guys. Not only does the oil products have a shelf life, but if your race car sits 1 or 2 weeks between events, first time you hit that key at the engine's most critical part, on initial startup, the pickup's going to pick up whatever's in the bottom of the pan. And if it's separated, it's no longer oil. It's whatever the heavier additive is in the bottom, it'll suck that up first. Then it'll move on to the next one. And maybe after a couple of minutes, it'll turn back into engine oil. But by then, the damage is done. We have overcome this with a blending technique, very controlled, very unique to our product. We've all seen the photos of the big companies with their oil vats, mixing 20,000 litres in big steel containers, but mixing the products. It doesn't work, it doesn't bond the additives together, and they come apart not just sitting on the shelf, but also in extreme conditions. We blend our oil in very small batches, in very controlled environments, under a very specific heat to get the additives to bond on a molecular level. This stops additive dropout. It gives the oil basically an unlimited shelf life. And every time you hit that key, it's oil. Not separated, it doesn't come apart, it doesn't shed additives under load. Much more stable and just the right way to do it. More expensive and a slower process for us because of the small mixes we can do. But we did promise uncompromised performance engine oil, and that's how we do it. Stay up to date with what's going on. Click the subscribe button. If you liked the video or if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies. Any suggestions on future content, leave a comment below. We will be checking it. Thanks for watching.